Hi, I'm Nicci Penk and the Head of Cleaning Services here at EMAS. I'm currently undertaking a Masters in Leadership at Sheffield Hallam University via the Apprenticeship programme. I started the course prior to starting with the Trust, and I was very fortunate to be able to continue my studies into my new role. Don't think I quite anticipated some of the difficulties I faced when starting the course, but it was something that I was really keen to pursue because although I have over 10 years in management in leadership experience, I knew that my career so far hadn't exposed me to some of the challenges you face as being a leader, and this apprenticeship so far has been really great in gaining me some of the experience that I felt I needed. My advice to anyone taking a similar qualification would be to take some time out at the beginning, scope out the landscape of the course and start thinking about what's happening within the organisation or within your own workplace over the duration of the apprenticeship, and you can use that then to sort of focus your learning. I'd also suggest trying to find areas of weakness where you think you're least likely to get exposure, and then speak openly with your mentor, line manager and colleagues, etc. about how you can start to bridge some of those gaps. So for example, for me, prior to starting the course, I personally hadn't had a lot of exposure in sustainability work. So by talking to my sustainability colleagues in my old organisation, I was able to identify some work streams that I knew would help give me that exposure that I needed, and some work that I could demonstrate as part of that apprenticeship. Another example, I've always prided myself in championing equality and diversity. However, again, knew that I needed to push that learning a little further. So for one of my research projects, I took the time to research disability inequalities relating to employment, and particularly within the NHS. From that, within my old trust, was able to identify some language that we were using as part of our job advertisements, and it felt that the language being used would limit applicants from potentially applying, particularly if they've got disabilities, etc. So I used that and pushed for the wording in those job adverts to be changed, and I think that made a real difference within the organisation. My latest assignment here at EMAS is relating to change management. So as soon as I got the brief, I realised immediately that I got a great opportunity to link this to a work-based project, because one of the things that I really want to achieve at EMAS over this year is the standardisation of cleaning products and hand care products. So already with the support with my IPC colleagues and my manager, we've already started to work and engage with suppliers and some of the workforce to try to find some right solutions for us. So I've just handed that assignment in, and that discusses sort of the progress so far. The hardest part for me about this qualification is maintaining a really healthy work-life balance, and at times I've found it really challenging trying to study whilst working full-time, and that's before trying to make time for myself, for my family, or for my friends. What is really good though is the support that I've had from EMAS, and particularly from my line manager and mentor, and helping me keep my head above water. I've also got real great support from home and from the peers on my cohort. So if you do struggle and you're doing something similar to me, then that is absolutely normal. It's really challenging to fit in studying whilst you are working, but always reach out to the people around you. EMAS have been so supportive to me, and this is a fantastic opportunity to be able to do some studying whilst working. I'm certain for my own benefit that the feeling of walking away with the qualification at the end is going to far outweigh the challenges that I've faced along the way. All right, thank you.